Hello everyone. Today I will give an introduction to our database project. So our city tour database project will provide travel information to users according to their search categories. The categories include different kinds of activities such as visiting museum and searching for various styles of restaurants in a series of cities and states. So here you can see the top of our homepage. It says good morning to you, so it can show the time when you log in to our page. And here in the middle part is the embedded Google Maps here. Looks fancy, right? So here in the second tab we have search functions. Let's go into the basic search functions here. Cities. Here you can choose any state and sit here. It will list all the restaurant. Like we choose restaurant here, then it can list all the restaurants in Illinois. Here are all the places of interest here. So for more advanced search function, you can use this one. So you can choose your state, your city, and restaurant type. Suppose you like Chinese food, and submit your query and show your locations. Then you can see there are two places here in our table, and we have already marked them in the Google Map. Okay, let's go back to the home page and show you our advanced function. The first one is searching for places of interest nearby. Suppose you are at Granger Library and suppose you want to have dinner and you would like to search some restaurants nearby. Then you can choose your state here, Illinois, and the restaurant, and suppose you would like to walk to there and within 2 kilometers, then submit your request, show all the places. Then you can see there's a list here showing you all of the restaurants that satisfy your requirement, and you can also see there are marks indicating all of the places are marked in the Google Map here. And suppose if you want to pass through Aragon and have dinner at Evo, then you can choose two of them and routing, and we can do routing for you by clicking routing for your choice. Then you can see the route here in the Google Map. And this routing algorithm is completed by our own codes. We get the distance using Google API and use shortest distance algorithm to get the shortest route. Then let's go to the other advanced function. Alright, so here you can get comments for any places of interest, and also you can get some recommendations for some related places of interest here. So suppose you choose Illinois, Champaign, and suppose you like Evo, and submit. Then you can get a table of all of the comments provided by users and the ratings. If you want to get any recommendations to the restaurants or some related restaurants, you can click to get the recommendations here. Then it shows two tables. So the first table is listed here by the rating. So the rating is weighted considering the buyers and the date of the comments entrance. The second table shows the recommendation by top searched places that are most often searched by our users. So you can just refer to these two tables according to different criterions. Alright, so let's go to some basic functions. Here we have Administrator tab. Anyone who has an ID and password can log in as an administrator and change data in our database. And in login page here, let's suppose we register here. Suppose we have a name called DDD and password. Then submit. Then we go back to login again. Okay, here you are. So we have basic functions like insert. You can insert any record to our database. We also have, let me log in again. We also have basic functions like update. So here are 3 tables here, like places of interest, restaurant, and museum. You can change any cell in this table and it will update automatically in our database. Let's go to the other function called add comment. Just now we saw the advanced function, like you can get the recommendation and comments from our database. So here is the page for the users to add their comments. You can choose the state here and any city and add your comment and give your rating and submit. Then this record will be added to our database. So that is basically what our CityTool database project do. Thank you.